Buenos dias! We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this clothing and fashion brand headquartered in Barcelona, Catalonia, Spain, founded in 1984 by Swiss businessman Thomas Meyer on the beautiful and groovy island of Ibiza. The brand's designs are characterized by patchwork, intense prints, graffiti art, asymmetry and really bright colors. Really cool stuff. The brand name literally translates from Spanish into unequal. That's what the name actually means. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of this brand with the typical Spanish pronunciation? Desigual, 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 desigual fashion brand. You do want to stress a little bit on the last syllable, desigual. Here are videos if you want to hear and learn more about how to pronounce all of the luxury and fashion brands from all around the world. Hasta luego.